Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn off TikTok HDR video playback. To stop TikTok from automatically forcing your screen into high brightness or high dynamic range, also known as HDR, you can use the native feature toggle under accessibility settings. Now to access this setting or feature, all you have to do is open your TikTok application, then tap on your profile icon located on the bottom right. Then head to this menu by tapping on these three horizontal lines located on your top right. Head to settings and privacy, scroll a little bit down, and you should be able to find this accessibility option. From here you should be able to find standard video playback option. Go ahead and toggle the switch on. This will actively force the media engine to decode videos inside a standard dynamic range, which is HDR space, matching your custom system brightness levels. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.